This bone is 37,000 years old. 29 deliberate cuts mark its surface. The Lebombo bone, found in a South African cave, humanity's first calculator. What compelled our ancestors to count? And how did these primitive scratches become the language that built our modern world? 40,000 years ago, survival meant numbers. How many days until the rains? How many predators in the darkness? How many mouths to feed? In caves across Europe, Africa, and Asia, humans began marking quantities. Not just seeing 3 deer, but understanding 3 itself. The Ashango bone from the Congo, tally sticks from Moravia, each culture independently discovering the same truth. Abstract numbers could capture concrete reality. Women tracking lunar cycles, hunters recording seasonal migrations. Mathematics emerged from the rhythm of life itself. 5,000 years ago, in the marshlands of Mesopotamia, numbers became permanent. Clay tablets preserve humanity's first written mathematics. Babylonian scribes calculated interest rates, measured land boundaries, predicted eclipses. Their base 60 system still governs our clocks and compasses. Why 60? Perhaps the approximate days in 6 lunar months, perhaps the joints in both hands. Ancient choices echoing through millennia. Along the Nile, mathematics served immortality. The Great Pyramid of Giza, 2.5 million stone blocks, each placed with mathematical precision. Egyptian rope stretchers used the 3-4-5 triangle to create perfect right angles. The Wren papyrus taught apprentices to calculate areas, solve equations. When floods reshaped the land each year, geometry restored property lines. Mathematics brought order from chaos. Across the ancient world, civilizations independently unlocked mathematical secrets. India gave us 0. The number that represents nothing yet makes everything possible. China developed algebra 15 centuries before Europe. Then came a revolution. In the Greek city-states, mathematics transformed from practical tool to philosophical pursuit. Thales of Miletus asked a new question. Not how do we calculate, but why must this be true? He created the first mathematical proof, logical reasoning that compelled belief. Pythagoras believed numbers were reality itself. His theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, revealed hidden harmonies. The same ratios that create musical beauty govern geometric truth. Euclid's Elements organized all mathematical knowledge into 13 books of pure logic. For over 2,000 years, it remained the world's most influential textbook after the Bible. Archimedes bridged theory and practice. He calculated pi, invented calculus principles, designed war machines. "Give me a place to stand," he declared, "and I shall move the earth." Mathematics had become something unprecedented, a system of pure thought that described physical reality with uncanny precision. Islamic scholars preserved and expanded Greek knowledge. European universities made mathematics the foundation of education. Numbers revealed God's design and creation. Galileo declared that nature's book was written in mathematical language. Newton's equations governed falling apples and orbiting planets alike. What began as survival arithmetic had become humanity's most powerful tool for understanding reality. Today, mathematics shapes every aspect of human civilization. The internet runs on number theory once considered purely abstract. Medical scanners use equations that would astound ancient geometers. Today, mathematics shapes every aspect of human civilization. The internet runs on number theory once considered purely abstract. Medical scanners use equations that would astound ancient geometers. From 29 notches on a bone to equations with infinite dimensions, humanity's journey with numbers continues. Each generation discovers new mathematical worlds, as vast and beautiful as the starry sky. The story of mathematics is the story of the human mind itself, forever counting, measuring, and seeking the patterns that make existence comprehensible.